Oh my god, I just burped. Hi guys, so today I want to make some sushi baked rice, and I got this yesterday. This is sushi short grain rice. I have also kewpie, mayonnaise. I have furikake. I have crab flavored sticks. I'm just gonna defrost this first, and then we're gonna cook the rice. Right, I've already washed my rice to the rice cooker, and we are going for sushi rice. And we're just gonna finish all of this, and I'll be back. Alright, time to bust out our kewpie. I just find out something today that the kewpie has a starship tip. This is done. Sugar, vinegar and salt. We are just gonna pour it inside. Assembly time. So I flattened the rice already. Time to put some furikake. Oh my god, that is big. Put your... I'm just gonna squeeze some more. Second pack. Preheated my oven to 200 degrees for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, it's done! Doesn't look as appealing, but we are going to dig in. Let's go get it. I get the hype over sushi baked rice, and I mean this is an amateur version, so like if you get like the super legit one, it might taste even better. I realize that I'm not eating it with seaweed because I do not have seaweed. I didn't afford to buy it, so yeah. So yeah guys, try it at home, enjoy, and I'll put too much vinegar and salt because I think mine's a bit like masam. But yeah, and see you guys in my next episode of Cooking with Mai. Bye!